Hi guys, welcome to West Channel. So, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make videos like this. If you're looking forward to classes or starting content on YouTube, this is one of the best content that I can put out here. And I'll show you that if you are making this type of content, you will get monetized quite quickly, and the channel we get so much engagement because these are the type of content that is trending currently for the YouTube. So if you cannot subscribe to our channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and like and share with your friend. So let's get into it. This looks like a normal whiteboard animation, but I made the entire thing using free AI tools. The topic, the script, the voiceover, the drawings, and even the animation, all generated with AI. Now look at this. This channel has 11 million subscribers, and one simple whiteboard video got 53 million views. No animation studio, no professional team, no expensive software, just a repeatable system. So I studied how these videos are made, rebuilt the full workflow using free AI tools, and in this video, I'll show you the exact process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create your own whiteboard animation video, even if you can't draw, and even if you're editing everything as a beginner. Let's get into it. The first thing you need is the prompt pack. You'll find the link in the comment section. Inside that Google Doc, there are 4 ready-made prompts that drive this entire workflow. Go ahead and open it now and keep it next to this video because we'll be using it throughout the entire process. Now copy the first prompt. This is the topic generation prompt and it's where everything starts. Once you've copied it, open a new tab and search for Claude AI. Click on the first result and make sure it has this logo. Once you're inside Claude AI, paste the prompt into the prompt box, then hit on generate. And in a few seconds, Claude will start giving you 10 video topic ideas. At first glance, this looks great, but there's a problem. These topics are based on Claude's general knowledge. They're not based on what's actually trending on YouTube right now. And that's a huge difference. Because just because a topic sounds good doesn't mean people are actively watching videos about it. So before we pick any topic, we need to validate it using real YouTube data. And this next step is what separates random topic ideas from topics that already have proven demand. To make sure we're not wasting time on topics that nobody is watching, we're going to connect Claude AI to live YouTube data using vidIQ. If you don't already have vidIQ installed, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your browser. Go to Extensions, then click Visit Chrome Web Store. Search for vidIQ and make sure you select the one with this logo. Click Add to Chrome and complete the installation. Once it's installed, create a free account and connect your YouTube account. After that, click on the extensions icon and pin vidIQ so it's easy to access. Now go back to Claude AI and refresh the page. You'll notice a new option called Connect YouTube Insights. Click it and authorize the connection. Once that's done, open a new chat in Claude. Click this plus icon right here. Then click Connectors. Choose Add Connector and select Video Idea Validation. Now we're ready. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the same topic generation prompt we used earlier. Paste it into this new Claude chat and hit generate. This time, something different would happen. Claude is no longer relying on general knowledge. It's now pulling insights from real YouTube data, and in a few seconds, you'll get 10 topic ideas along with useful metrics. And this is the part where you need to pay attention to. Look at the VPH number next to each topic. VPH stands for views per hour. It tells you how quickly videos on that topic are currently growing. The higher the VPH, the more momentum that topic has right now. So don't just choose the topic that sounds the most interesting. Choose a topic that has strong VPH, and it's something you can actually make a good video about. And just like that, we now have a topic backed by real YouTube demand. The next step is turning that topic into a complete script automatically. Now that we have a topic backed by real YouTube data, it's time to turn it into a complete script. To do that, back to the prompt document and copy prompt number 2. This is the script generation prompt. Then head back to Claude AI and paste the prompt into a new chat. You'll notice a section inside the prompt with brackets. That's where your topic goes. Simply paste the topic you selected earlier into that section. Once that's done, click on Generate. Now give Claude a few seconds to work. And just like that, your complete video script is ready. You'll have your introduction, your main content, your explanations, and everything else already written for you. Once you're happy with it, copy the entire script and paste it into a blank Google Doc. But before moving on, take a few minutes to quickly read through the script. Look for anything that feels repetitive, unnecessary, or out of place. You don't need to rewrite the entire thing. Just remove anything that slows the video down or doesn't add value. The goal is to keep the script clear, focused, and easy to follow. This makes the next steps much easier, because we'll be working from that document throughout the rest of the process. Now that our script is finished, it's time to turn those words into a real voiceover. Now that our script is ready, and it's time to turn it into a voiceover. For this step, we're using Google AI Studio. Just open Google AI Studio and complete the basic setup. If you're not sure how to set everything up correctly, don't worry. I've already made a complete tutorial covering the entire setup process. You'll find the link in the description. Once you're inside Google AI Studio, choose the voice you want to use. Take a moment to listen to a few options and pick the one you like in your life. Now go back to your Google Doc and copy your script. But don't copy the entire script at once. Instead, divide it into smaller sections. I usually split mine into about 4 parts. This helps the AI maintain more natural pacing and better consistency throughout the voiceover. Simply paste the first section into Google AI Studio and generate the audio. Then repeat the same process for the remaining sections. And just like that, you'll have your good please voiceover already every single day of your life. Once you've downloaded all the voiceover files, you were ready for the next. Now it's time to turn our script into actual visuals. Now that we have our voiceover ready, it's time to create the visuals. To do that, go back to the prompts document and copy prompts number 3. Then head back to Claude AI, paste the prompt into a new chat, and hit Generate. Claude will now ask for the first paragraph of your script. So go back to your Google Doc, copy the first paragraph, paste it into Claude, and hit Generate again. And in a few seconds, Claude AI will give you 2 prompts, an image prompt and a video prompt. For now, we're only interested in the image prompt. We'll use the video prompt later. Now open Flow AI, link in the video description. Once you're inside, click on Settings. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Set the number of images to 1. Then select Nano Banana Pro as your model. You only need to do this once. Now copy the image prompt Claude generated for your first paragraph. Paste it into Flow AI and click Generate. While Flow AI is creating the image, go back to your Google Doc and copy the next paragraph. Paste it into Claude and generate the next set of prompts. By the time Claude finishes, your first image should already be ready. Download it, then copy the next image prompt and generate the second image. From this point forward, the process is very simple. Script paragraph to Claude, image prompt to Flow AI, download, repeat. Script paragraph to Claude, image prompt to Flow AI, download, repeat. Keep doing this until you've created images for every paragraph in your script. And just like that, all of your visuals are ready. Now it's time to bring those images to life and turn them into video clips. Now it's time to turn our images into actual video clips. And we're still going to use Flow AI for this part. Go back to Flow AI and create a new project. This time, instead of image generation, switch over to video generation. Then click on Settings. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Set the output to 1x. And for the model, select OmniFlash. Once that's done, click on the Upload button and upload your generated images. To keep things simple, start with your first 4 images. Now drag your first image into the prompt box. Then go back to Claude AI and copy the video prompt that belongs to that image. Paste it into Flow AI. Take a quick moment to double check everything, then click Generate. In just a few seconds, your first video clip will be ready. Now repeat the same process for the second image. Drag the image into the prompt box, copy the matching video prompt from Claude, paste it into Flow AI, then click Generate. And just like that, your second video clip is ready. From this point forward, the process stays exactly the same. Image, matching video prompt, generate, download, repeat. Image, matching video prompt, generate, download, repeat. Keep going until you've converted all of your images into video clips. If you run out of credits, don't worry. You can simply continue the process using another account. Once all of your video clips are ready, click download and save them to your computer. Everything we need: the script, the voiceover, and the visuals. All that's left is putting everything together inside CapCut. Now it's time to put everything together. For editing, we're using CapCut. It's free, beginner-friendly, and more than enough for this workflow. Go ahead and open CapCut and create a new project. Then import your voiceover files and all the video clips you generated. The first thing you should do is drag your voiceover onto the timeline. This becomes the foundation of the entire video. Now start listening to the voiceover. Remember how we generated our visuals paragraph by paragraph? That's exactly how we're going to edit this video. Split the voiceover paragraph by paragraph. This makes it much easier to match each visual with the correct section of the narration. Once you've done that, drag the first video clip onto the timeline. Place it directly above the first paragraph of your voiceover. Now compare the length of the video clip and the audio section. If the video is too short, slow it down slightly. If it's too long, speed it up a little. The goal is simple: make the visual and the voiceover finish at roughly the same time. Now repeat the same process for the remaining clips. Match the video, adjust the speed if needed, move to the next paragraph, and keep going until the entire timeline is filled. If your clips look out of order inside CapCut, don't worry, simply click on the sorting option and change it to time created. This usually arranges the files in the same order you downloaded them. Once all your visuals are aligned with the voiceover, add a smooth transition between the clips. Then apply it across the entire project. And just like that, the hard part is done. We now have a complete video. The only thing missing is some background music and the final export. Now we're on the final step. At this point, your video is fully edited. All we need to do now is add some background music and export it. Since we're uploading this video to YouTube, it's important to use copyright-safe music. One of the easiest places to get that is directly from YouTube Studio. Open YouTube Studio and go to the audio library. You'll find hundreds of free tracks that you can use in your videos. Take some time to find a track that matches the style and pace of your content. Once you've downloaded the music, import it into CapCut. Drag it underneath your voiceover on the timeline. Now lower the volume of the music so it sits quietly in the background. You want viewers to hear your voice. Our music should support the video. Laugh not or compete with it. Once you're happy with the results, click export and render your video. And just like that, your video is finished. Now upload it to YouTube. Add your title, your thumbnail, and your description. Then publish it. The best part about this workflow is that it's simple and repeatable. Once you've done it once, you can use the same process again and again for future videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out.